Signs that someone might have blocked you on WhatsApp sending messages. Open WhatsApp on your phone. From the Chats page, select the contact you want to message. In the message bar, type your text and then tap the arrow icon to send. If your messages always show a single tick and never turn into 2 ticks, there's a good chance you've been blocked. Checking profile picture and info. On the chat page, tap on the contact's name. At the top, tap on the contact's name again. If there's no profile photo and you only see a default contact card, that could mean you're blocked. Making a call. Try placing a call to that contact. If it only shows calling but never rings or connects, this can also be a sign of being blocked. Adding to groups. From the Chats page, open any group conversation. At the top, tap on the group's name. Scroll down until you see the Members section. Tap on the plus icon to add members. A list of your contacts will appear. Select the contact's name and then tap Add in the top right corner. If you get a pop-up saying Not Added, that means the person has blocked you. And that's all.